VisioFocus has three buttons. Face button to take the body temperature on forehead or on the eyelid. Home button to take the temperature of liquids and objects between 1 to 55 degrees Celsius, that is 33.8 to 131 Fahrenheit. Memory button to recall the last 9 measurements. How to use. While pushing the face button, move the thermometer closer to and further from the middle of forehead. When you see the temperature between the two brackets, the distance is correct, and so is the temperature. When out of the brackets, it is too far or too close. When you are at the correct distance, release the button and read the temperature also on the LCD display, backlight in light blue for body temperature. Use the home button to take skin temperature, such as inflammations, blood circulation problems, diabetes, wounds, burns, scars, or to take the temperature of objects or liquids. The display will be backlighted in green. Pay attention not to use the home button to take the core body temperature. For that purpose, you have to use the face button only in the middle of forehead. Push face and home button together. On the LCD display the word call will appear. Aim the device towards an internal wall and push the home button until you are at the correct distance. Release the button, the lights will flash slowly, which means that the device records this temperature as reference and will use it for the following 30 minutes. How to change settings. With the thermometer off or in standby mode, when it shows the room temperature and the home icon is blinking, press and keep down the memory button. After 8 seconds, the display will start to show all options one after the other. When you see the desired one, release the button. Celsius, Fahrenheit, oral reference, rectal reference, axilla reference, core reference, and so on.